more legs. Oh yeah. Clap hands for yourself. Oh yeah. All humans are equal, but it doesn't end there. Some are more equal than others, and I also agree, because sometimes and not all the times an equation can't be solved and unless all are involved. All humans are equal, but some are more equal and more human. They've got some more power and become superhuman with self-given superpower, life and death in their own hands, and not even willing to hand or bend. It all starts as a joke when someone starts pulling a yoke, and the consequences fires later, directed to the ordinary and innocent man. When George Bush sanctioned Zimbabwe, who thought the acid could be corroding this 18-year-old Zimbabwean child today? Who gets to hear this as stories, real stories, the stories they made and the history they wrote? This millennium is a curse to them. When the same Bush bombed Iraq for the weapons he knew he will never find, the weapons they never allowed anyone to keep, he was praised as super and not human. The conspiracy to overthrow and dethrone Kwame Nkrumah, one man, then the whole innocent Ghanaian suffered. It's a bait in you and your race to satisfy your own race. You say America first, and I say Africa is the best. Erect the wall and make Mexico pay. Watch the space, not now and maybe in future. When they sneeze, the mere citizens' nose itches, and the nations hail as the US and the Belgians conspired to eliminate Lumumba. Look at the Congolese now. Let Africa be for the Africans and their elephants in the park, and let Europe be for the Europeans and their squirrels in the zoo, and abolish this big brother mentality, because big brother is not always right, and I also have some rights. Gaddafi preached loud, one Africa, one border, one currency. Where is he now? Saddam traded with his own currency, ignoring the policy. My currency should suppress yours, printed and kept, so you offer no excuse. Where is he now? These two sons of the earth sacrificed their soul for the sole phrase, patriotism. Tell me, where are they now? Their countries are now poor, yet barrels and barrels of oil traded for $1 is extracted day in and day out of these nations. Like Peter McIntosh, I so dream of the day the dollar die, so I can gain my soul back. Sovereignty is the term ignored and exists in theory. The focus is on nuclear weapons. The focus is on regime change. Why not give us a chance? Is this the animal farm? Napoleon is squealer, 2 legs bad or 4 legs good, or vice versa? Self-imposed power without a grace is like a curse. It's so obscene when one nation feels so presumptuous and wants to bulldoze others. It's a warfare. Cursed nations against